biggest challenge we faced with our renovation project with video was to come up with a way to put a bigger footprint of video boards up in the stadium for our fans. There's a lot of reasons why fans can choose not to come to a stadium, but the video presentation, the game presentation, and the environment is one of our best reasons to come and be part of that. And that was one of our big reasons in doing what we did.
We knew we were interested in wrapping our super columns, but we weren't quite sure what engineering would be involved in order to make that happen and come to life and how expensive it might be. But thankfully, Daktronics engineering came up with a great design and a plan for that, and we think the results have been outstanding.
Project management was outstanding throughout the whole process. We met early on, decided what we were going to do together, what might fit best in the building. And then each week we had a weekly call, and there was never any issues where we were really offline with anything. It was about as smooth as it could be, especially in the tight timeline that we had. One of the things that I was surprised early on is just how bright these boards can get. We typically operate them at about 25% of their full brightness because they are so strong. And the viewing angles, you can almost get sideways with the boards and still watch them. One of my biggest concerns going into this is, okay, we're gonna have these giant boards and they're gonna look great because they're HD, but how do we put content up on them and how do we create something that's unique? And working with the creative services department was a great, easy process for us. Even to this day, we're still giving them ideas and they turn around within 2 or 3 days and it's implemented for the game.
The products provided by Daktronics and all these video boards give us more ways to engage our fans, and it also helps our team because we can do amazing things now to engage our fans and get them pumped up.
One of the reasons why we went with Daktronics was the service that you provide not only when you install the system, but throughout the life of it. It's a very easy process if something does not work properly to get it fixed and fixed quickly. So we've been very happy with what we've experienced over the years with Daktronics.
I've enjoyed working with Daktronics. I think they're an outstanding operation. They're the industry standard in this field and also on the cutting edge with new displays.
I would know right from the beginning that DAC was the right fit for us, both from their design, from their product and the stability of their product, the quality of the product, and then the ability to follow through with the construction. We've been a DAC building since we've opened Ford Field back in 2002, and they're the standard bearer in the NFL in terms of video boards. Our boards are second to none in the league in terms of what they provide our fans. And when people come here, they look at those and they realize that this is a quality product that they don't often see in other places.